Hi friends, my name is Harshada Kishorwale. I have completed BENTC in Keystone School of Engineering through Pune University in 2021. Today's date is 7th February 2022 and today's Viva topic is array. Basically, array is the basic parts of core Java and the array is usings of the Java programming language. Today we will discuss about array. What is the array? What is the definition of the array? What is the types of array? It is the discussing. First of all, array. What is meant by array? The array is the one object set and that object is the collects of the similar data types. So it is called as the array. And array is also of the primitive data types. And the array can be stores of primitive data types value. So it is the array. What is the definitions of array? The array is the one of the objects that collects of the similar types of the data and the store similar types of the data and that data can be stored so it is called as an array. What is the syntax of an array? The int then data then curly braces after that square bracket equal to then curly braces. The int is the declares as the data types. Then data is the declares of the array name as well as data a or b x y z. It is the declares of array name. The curly braces we will be declares of the array size. Likewise 5a 8a 10a 11a, the declares of an array size equal to then curly braces and then semicolon. And this is the syntax of array. What is the types of array? Basically, there are two types of the array. So one-dimensional array and the multi-dimensional array. Both the types and both the array of a one-dimensional array and the two-dimensional array can be used of the Java programming language. We will discuss about one-dimensional array. The one-dimensional array is the one row, one column, and it is the refers as the same common name but different values. So it is the single dimensional array. For example of the one students have the same name, same marks but different value. So it is the examples of one dimensional array. And the multi-dimensional array. The multi-dimensional array is the multiple things and the multiple value is considered and then can be used of the Java. What is the advantage of array? The advantages of the array is the code optimization. The array of the code, it is not longer than a but it is optimized. So it is the first advantage of code optimization. And the second advantages of is the random access. The code will be considered as the random access and not of the more than larger but it is the access of randomly. So it is the advantages of array. What is the disadvantages of array? The array is the only one of the disadvantages. The first disadvantage is the size limit. Because of you will consider of as a square bracket as a 5. This size is the limited. This is the larger size or this is the size of the array. So it is the size limited, no longer than of the use size. So it is called as the disadvantages of array. What is the real-time examples of array we can be using? If you consider as 100 of an employees as the one company's worker, so not possible as every workers has different data, different data collections, different information collections. As we use of an array as the same name, same properties, and the but difference of the values, so easily it is in an accept say. So it is use of the array. For examples of an it is the integer say, then array's name is an worker say, then the size is 100 equal to, and then curly braces say. So it is the square bracket is the size is limitations is the 100 size, not more than 100 set, it is the not possible and not use of the array. So this is the examples of array. After that, what can be use of an array? There are many times. What is the use of an array? There are many times use of the largest of an employees company, then school, college can be use of the array structure say. So this is called the array, and that also. That's all. Thank you.